In this video, we're going to discuss how to connect the dimmer pack to an OPT1216. Before I'm going to start, it's very important to mention that this unit is a DMX. It's not going to work with any other controller beside the DMX controller. Another confusion that happens a lot, actually this dimmer pack has a 3-pin DMX. Some of the controllers in the market, especially the professional NSI and electronics, usually have a 3-pin output, and it's not a DMX, it's actually their own protocol, LMX or whatever their protocol is. So before you buy this dimmer pack, check and confirm that your unit is a DMX output, then you'll be able to use this unit. If your unit or your controller is actually a different protocol or output, it will not work with this dimmer pack. It's confusing because they are making 3-pin as their own protocol and 5-pin as DMX. Most of the industry is using actually the more middle range market using a 3-pin as a DMX. So a little confusing, but just an input on that issue. To connect this controller, we always start from the controller. You're going to go to the back of your controller. You're going to take your male connector and plug it into your controller. You always start from the controller into your fixture and not from your fixture into your controller, because most of the time your fixture will have two connection, input and output, and sometimes people might confuse and come from the output into the controller, and that's the opposite way to do it. So you come from your controller, and if your controller has even two inputs and output, you always go from the output of your controller, and then you come with the other side of your cable into the input of your dimmer pack. Once we connected that, before you connect it into power, make sure that your unit is set as 110. This unit is capable of being set to 110 to 20. If it's set at the 220 range, it will not work. Once you connected that, keep in mind another important thing a lot of people ask us is, am I able to control the chess function or the built-in programs from DMX or while it's connected to DMX? No, this unit is either controlled from DMX or it's a self-standing unit. So once you are changing the function on this unit, it will not work in DMX. Once you are changing it to DMX, it will work only as a DMX. So it's either or, not both. I hope I'm clear on that one. So you are not able to control any of the chassis or built-in program in this unit through DMX. You're able to run it independently once you move it out of a DMX function. Now that we plug the units to the controller. Now we'll talk about assigning the unit. You turn the unit on, and at that point your unit will come automatically into A001. A is your DMX mode, and once you have A001, that means that it's in channel number 1. Our controller is designed to control 12 fixtures, where each one of those fixtures is capable of controlling up to 16 channels. Because my unit is a 4-channel controller, I can assign up to 8 units in each fixture. Because I have 16 channels per fixture, each unit will control only 4 channels. That means my first unit will be channel 1 through 4. My second unit will be 5 through 8. My third unit will be 9 through 12. And my fourth unit on the same fixture will be 13 to 16. And we're going to show you how we're going to assign it and how we're going to control it. So I'm going to turn my controller on too. My unit is assigned to 001. That means channel number 1. At that point I have to click fixture number 1. And I move my slider. And as you can see, channel number 1 came on. I move my sliders to channel number 2 came on, channel number 4, and channel number 5. I hope it's clear in the video and it's visible, but again, now that I control this unit from channel 1 through 4, I'm going to change this one to channel number 5. So I'm just going to go up with my arrow. So I assigned it now to channel number 5. That means this unit will be controlled from channel number 5, 6, 7, and 8. On my controller, I'm still on fixture number 1. At that point, it's channel 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to go with channel number 5 on, channel 1 came on, channel 7, channel 8, and channel 9. So I just changed my setting to A005, and at that point I'm controlling this unit from fixture number 1, channel number 5 through 8. If I'm going to go to now setting number 9, I'm still in fixture number 1, but for me to control it, if I move, it's not going to react. Why is that? Because I have to change my page. I click on my page and I'm going to move my slider, and at that point I'm able to control my channels. As you can see, when I click the page, what happened is actually it's changed the button here from controlling channel 1 through 8. I click on a page, it's controlling channel 9 through 16 in the same fixture. Very important. So if your assignment is 9, you have to go to page B, that is basically controlling channel 9 through 16. Now, if I wanted to control this unit from another fixture, the trick here is that each fixture is controlling 16 channels. So my first fixture is controlling channel 1 through 16. My second fixture is controlling 17 through 32. So really, in a way, for me to control the unit from a second fixture, I need to go to channel 17. So I'm going to go to channel 17. I assign this unit to channel 17. What's going to happen, I have to click on fixture number 2. Again, I have to go to page 1, because that's basically my first channel 17 and on. And I'm going to move, and as you can see, channel number 1 is controlled. Channel number 2, channel number 3, channel number 4. Now, because I'm in fixture number 2, my channel are 17, 18, 19, 20. If I wanted to put it as the second fixture in fixture number 2, I have to control it as, again, 17, 18, 19, 20 as fixture number 21. So I'm going to go to 21. And again, I'm in fixture number 2, but now I'm controlling it from channel 5, 6, 7, and 8. So hopefully that's very clear. Again, if you have any question, you can call us at BulbAmerica toll-free 888-505-2111. Always go to our website at BulbAmerica.com for any additional information.